Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature some highly requested short hairstyle ideas. First up we have the long pixie haircut. Next up, we move into a nice classic bob. This one features a middle part down the center. And then for those looking to mix up their curly hair strands, this curly bob is a great option to try. Next up, we see the classic lob haircut on a blonde. And then for those looking for something a little bit more modern, this lob haircut featuring money piece highlights is the perfect look to try out. And today's last hairstyle will feature this pink bob. As you guys know, pastel pink hair is very in right now, and I love the way that it looks on this bob haircut. Alright you guys, so that is it for this video. If you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me, please be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.